Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to change driver's seat intensity. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find here and select the climate button at the left side of the screen. If you tap the climate button, you will see the following climate controls. Let's choose here the settings icon at the top of the screen. If you tap the settings icon, you've got here a few things that you can change, and one of them is driver's seat intensity. Basically, this controls the automatic heating and ventilation for the driver's seat. If you increase it from off to, for example, 3 is the maximum, you can of course increase the intensity. What's the purpose? Instead of manually pressing the seat heater button every time, the car looks at the temperature you've set at the AC. If it's freezing outside, the car automatically turns on the seat heater. This setting tells the car if you generally like your seat extra hot, cold, or just in the middle. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.